Glib. Speaking confidently without thinking carefully. He gave a glib answer without thinking about the question. Her glib comments did not help solve the problem. Lucrative. Making a lot of money. He found a lucrative job that paid very well. The business became lucrative and earned a lot of money. Kleptocracy. A government where leaders steal money or wealth from the country. Critics called the government a kleptocracy because leaders were accused of stealing public money. A kleptocracy often makes life harder for ordinary people. Cronyism. Giving jobs or benefits to friends instead of choosing fairly. People criticized the company for cronyism because it hired friends unfairly. Cronyism can give some people unfair advantages. Qualm. A feeling of worry or doubt about something. She had a qualm about telling a lie. He felt no qualms about helping his friend. Salubrious. Healthy and good for people. The village is salubrious because it has clean air. Fresh air makes the place more salubrious and healthy. Unctuous. Too friendly in a way that feels fake. His unctuous smile seemed fake to everyone. She spoke in an unctuous way to make people like her. Wizened. Looking old and full of wrinkles. The wizened farmer still worked hard every day. His wizened face showed that he had worked hard for many years. Exacerbate. To make a problem worse. Arguing only exacerbated the problem. Not getting enough sleep can exacerbate stress. Erosion. The slow wearing away of land, rock, or something else. Heavy rain caused erosion of the land. The river's erosion slowly changed the shape of the riverbank. Factionalism. When a group is divided into smaller groups that disagree. Factionalism weakened the organization. The team suffered because of factionalism. Curtail. To reduce or stop something. The school curtailed spending to save money. New rules helped curtail noise in the neighborhood. Incumbency. The time someone holds an official position. During his incumbency, many changes were made. Her incumbency lasted 5 years. Remittance. Money sent to someone, often family members. He sent a remittance to his parents every month. The family depended on her remittance. Autocracy. A system where one person has all the power. The country was ruled by an autocracy. Many people opposed the autocracy. Gerontocracy. A government led mostly by older people. Some people called it a gerontocracy because most leaders were very old. The gerontocracy was criticized by many young voters. Moratorium. A temporary stop or pause on something. The city placed a moratorium on new building projects. They agreed to a moratorium until they learned more about the situation. Tenable. Able to be accepted or supported. His explanation was tenable and made sense. They found a tenable solution to the problem. Lugubrious. Looking or sounding very sad. He had a lugubrious expression on his face. Her lugubrious voice worried her friends. Garrulous. Talking too much. The garrulous man talked for hours. Everyone knew her as a garrulous neighbor. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.